In this video, I'm going to show you how to get up to 90% off HubSpot's entire software suite. This isn't a typical sale, it's a special promo code for startups, and I have the official link to access it. If you're an early-stage founder, you know that professional software is expensive, but running your business on spreadsheets and a dozen cheap tools is inefficient and chaotic. You need a real all-in-one platform to manage your leads, sales, and customers if you want to grow. The problem is the cost is often a major barrier. That's the exact problem this offer solves. It gives you the professional-grade tools you need for a price you can actually afford. This discount is possible through the official HubSpot for Startups program. As a HubSpot affiliate partner, I can provide a direct link to apply. In the spirit of full transparency, please note that this is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you become a customer. My goal is to connect you with this fantastic deal because I know how much it can help an early-stage company save money and scale faster. The discount you can receive ranges from 30% all the way up to 90% off for your first year. The highest discount tiers are typically for bootstrapped or early-stage startups affiliated with one of HubSpot's global partners, which includes thousands of incubators and accelerators. Now, let's get to the important part, how to claim this promo code. Step 1. You must click the first link in the video description below. I've labeled it Official HubSpot for Startups link. This is the special link that unlocks the application page. Step 2. Once you're on the page, you'll see the Apply Now button. Click it to open the application form. It will ask for basic information about your company, your website, and your funding stage. Be honest and clear in your answers. Step 3. Submit the application. The HubSpot team will review it to confirm your eligibility. This process usually takes a few business days. If approved, you'll get an email with your discount and instructions on how to activate it. This is a straightforward process that can save you thousands of dollars. Instead of paying full price for enterprise software, you can get it for a tiny fraction of the cost, freeing up your capital for other critical parts of your business. To summarize, this is your chance to stop struggling with inefficient tools and implement a world-class CRM and marketing platform. If you're a startup founder, this is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make this year. If this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I'm always sharing strategies and deals to help you build your business. Thanks for watching.